Look what just came in the mail! Fidget spinners! Oh! Fidget spinners! So, yeah guys, today I'm back with another video, and today it is my fidget spinner collection. So I have 4 fidget spinners. They are all insane cool ones. Sorry about that. That was my sister. But the first we are going to get to is this one. You have all seen this one before. Well, most of you have seen this one before. I done a video about this separately. If you want to check that video out, just click on the description below. Don't click on the description below, but write down insane fidget spinner. Is this insane fidget spinner? Is it worth it? So in the section below you will find it. So this is the first fidget spinner. It's double-sided colors. Go ahead and buy this. The second fidget spinner is, now I'm doing the insane fidget spinners first, is this one. It's a Batman one. It's a double one. It doesn't spin that good. It spins 20 seconds. It looks sick though. So yes, it is a Batman fidget spinner. Okay. Oh yeah. You can get this for £7 in insanefidget.co.uk, and you can go to a local shop and you will find this for about where I got it. I found it for €5, but you can get it for £7 and $5 I think on Amazon. So this is my first fidget spinner that I've gotten. It is a natural fidget spinner, but the color, when I first started to collect fidget spinners, the first fidget spinner I got was this one, and I thought the color looked cool. Otherwise, there's a big hole in this one and not as much in that one. So yeah. But I thought the colour looked cool, and I was only collecting fidget spinners, so yeah. So this is a standard fidget spinner. You can get this for £3 on your local ferry, and you can get it for £3 in Walmart, and you can get it, in Toys R Us, and you can get it for $5 in Walmart, and where I got it for £7 on the boat. I got it for £5. I got it for £3 on the ferry. So this is the second fastest. No, this is the least. So this is the worst spin time. It's that one. This is the second. This isn't the third best, but it is the second worst time. This is the best spinning time, and here is the second best. So this is metallic gold. Pretty shiny. See, it's kind of shiny. You can see reflection. Yes, you were seeing my TV. I know you were seeing my TV. My TV, this is my board right here. This is where I do all my gaming. I have a PS2 set here and a PC down here, computer here, and I bought it all by myself. I have speakers here, so you YouTube people can hear me. My controllers are set up. I have a gaming pad for the PC, and that's it. And headphones, I guess. So check out more videos on my other channel. It's called PC Gaming, so you'll find a lot about that. So this is metallic gold, which I got in England, in Wales actually, for £5. £5 for the metallic gold fidget spinner. I think it looked cool and it feels good. And it's super quiet, I like it. These in here are, this in here is metal, full like steel. Then this right here is metallic, so metallic gold. You can spin that and this. So most of the time I do this with fidget spinners. So I do this. And this is the best for doing that. Now I like to fill this and go buy it for £5 and £5 in insanefidget.co.uk, and yeah. So yeah, that's my fidget spinner collection. But before I go, I just wanted to tell you this is my bag that I got everything from. And also go to this website called plasticspinner.uk. I don't know. It doesn't say .co.uk, it says .uk. But yeah, go to that. It's United Kingdom. Your bags from the United Kingdom boat. Yeah, I think when I was traveling from Wales there. So right now we are in holiday. Well, not in holiday, but we just came back from holiday in Wales. So we're back in Ireland. And this is the bag I used at the start for my vlog. So thank you for watching this awesome video. Please shout out to the companies who made my day for you guys. It was really good, and shout out to Insane Fidget who got me these two, and shout out and shit, and I mean go buy stuff from them and shout out to them. Shout out to them, tell people about the shop, and also shout out to plasticfidget.uk for getting these.